10 methods to generate content ideas quickly. To successfully implement a content marketing strategy, you need to be able to generate tons of content ideas quickly. In this presentation, I'm going to show you 10 easy methods you can use to bump up your content generation. Number 1. Brainstorm. You can brainstorm all by yourself, but if you work with a team, then that's a much better option as you'll get ideas from different people. Number 2. Research your competitors. Your competitors are a goldmine of content ideas, especially if they publish tons of content. Check their posts and determine how you can put a unique spin on things. Number 3. Reach out to your audience. You can reach out to your audience via email, social media, or on your website. Ask them for their input. For instance, ask them if they want you to cover a particular topic. Number 4. Go on Quora and look for people's questions. People go on Quora to ask questions on practically all sorts of topics. To get ideas, type something on the search bar until you find questions you think your audience may want to know more about. Number 5. Repurpose your content. Coming up with new content all the time is tough. Creating content is even tougher. To maximize your content creation efforts, repurpose your content into other formats so you can distribute it on other platforms. Number 6. Interview experts. Don't be afraid to reach out to industry experts and ask for the chance to interview them. People love getting recognized as experts. Interviewing them will help cement their status. Number 7. Check out what's happening right now. Watch the news. Go on Google Trends to find out what's hot and trending in your industry. Number 8. Read your blog's comments. You'll often read a lot of valuable comments on blogs. If you've got an active blog yourself, take the time to read the comments. You may just get new ideas. Number 9. Do a survey. Hold out a survey on your website, via email or via social media. Ask people for their input. Make your offer enticing though, so you get plenty of people participating in your survey. Number 10. Google Search Console. If you're not using Google Search Console, you're missing out on a ton of ideas. The tool is free to use. You'll learn which keywords are driving traffic to your site, so you can create content that your audience is specifically looking for.